Rồi.
Hello.
Hello guys.
Hello guys. Today I wanna start something new, so I invited all of you here to talk about the most important and interesting information about the animal communication. And I feel one thing that really stood out to me is how animals use so many different ways to communicate. It's not just sound, there are visual signals,
Right?
Yeah, yeah. Chemical, body language, and even tough.
Touch.
I don't really like tough. Yeah, I don't really like communication in the animal was that's complex.
I agree. For me, the most interesting part was chemical.
Mhm.
Chemical communication is something that I kind of like. That's quite seem like quite interesting, right? The video explained how ants use the pheromones to mark the trail, so the other ants know exactly where to go. And I think that's amazing because they don't need to speak, and they just leave a sent message. And these also communicate with word by dancing to show the food direction.
Yes, and I found the exams of sound communications fascinating to first you song to attract males or warm other both how to get their the bike. Each sound carries a specific meaning for their species. Is shown that even without language, like humans, animals still share information effectively.
Yeah.
And
And another important point from the video is the body language. Many animals use gesture and movement to communicate. For example, dogs wag their tail to show friendliness or excellence. Some animals use color like displaying bright feature to scare predator or attract mate. It shows that communication can be visual and silent, not just vocal.
So
Yes, from the answer, I also see something that I can discuss some so I have many questions when I ask you that mm, you know the animals and humans communicate differently mainly because humans have a complex language. We can use words, grammar, writing, and technology to express detailed ideas. Animals mostly communicate with simple signals, sounds, movements, smells. Oh,
So to answer the first question, human and animal communicate differently because they have complex language. We can use word, grammar, and technology to express that detailed idea with the animal, mostly commonly with a simple signal, sound, movement, or smell.
But they are so similar. Both human and animal use body language, facial experience, and sound to show feeling, and both communicate for similar reason to warm other, to build relationship, and to find mate or to break their group. So if even so, even if the methods are different, the goal are quite similar.
So, I want to ask you that in what way do animals display emotion, and how does this compare to human?
um, I think animals show emotions in many ways.
Yeah.
They use body language, like a dog walking its tail or a cat arching its back. They also use sounds. For example, um, pruning, growling, or
Listening.
whistling. Yeah, whistling. Some animals show affection by grooming, hugging, or rubbing against each other.
But what about the emotion the animals can express each other?
Compared to human, animal expect emotion more instinctively.
Instinctively.
Yeah, yeah. Human, on the other hand, can use words to explain how they feel and show emotion through complex facial expression. With emotionally, some similar animals are actually very simple to human. Elephant mouth their depth, dogs show loyalty and joy, and aspect can show empathy. So even though human experience emotion in more advanced way, the basic feeling are shared.
Yeah, actually, some emotional animals that can have better and more expressions than the human is. Also, anyway, I can see the so animals some aspect also complacent that we can feel that and see through how they inside the in behaviors of animals and how they communicate each other. Yes. Thank you then for this our discussion.
Thank you
Thank you so
everyone.
much, everyone.
Goodbye.
See you again.
See you
Bye.
later.